This is a brand new WhatsApp feature that enables you to run poll questions on your WhatsApp groups, and this has been proven to ignite and improve on the engagement that you have with your members. For example, on my Excel beginner and advanced WhatsApp group, I asked members in a poll question regarding our planned classes, which of the two functions should be focused on the most? Let us vote in this poll, and you can see how members have voted. I asked them if we should actually concentrate on the VLOOKUP, the if function, all of them, and you can see the number of votes that have come in so far. 8 are going for all of them, 3 have voted for the if function, and 6 members say that we should concentrate on the VLOOKUP. So how do you create such a poll question on your WhatsApp groups? Let me show you how to do that. You see where there is this attach button next to the compose dialog box. You just click in here once. Of course, a number of options will pop up. You can attach from photos and videos. You can actually take a picture using your camera. You can attach a document as well as a contact. But now this feature that has been introduced is right up here, which is a poll question. So when I click in here once, of course, this dialog box will open. Now let us place our question here. I'll ask, which of the following Excel functions do you use the most? I put a question mark, and now I can add options. Let me assume I put an if. I can add another option, VLOOKUP. Let's add the third option, index match. Fourth one, let's go with the XLOOKUP. And assuming that these are the only options that I'm providing members to vote from, I will just now click on post, and there you go. My poll question has been created. As you can see, which of the following Excel functions do you use the most? So if members start voting in here, you'll see the number of votes counting in here. You can even go in and check the details of which actual member has voted for which option.